gosh. So, coming to you from Honolulu, Hawaii, actually Manoa. I'm Lois, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. And the key to wealth is to own equity in ongoing transactions without having to be there. So, up here in, oh, hello. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Okay.
Yep, screen is out, so you can just hop on in. Yay!
Kashava. How long have you been working here?
8 years.
Want to say aloha?
Hi.
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 8 years.
Who's that?
What's your background?
I don't really know. I'm everything at the moment.
You're the head cheese.
Operationals coordinator.
Ooh wee.
Yeah.
That sounds fancy.
Hello. I'm in Manila.
She's working.
Oh, you're videoing right now. You should go check out the floors.
I gotta go check out the floors.
Oh, wait, what?
Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Checking out these flowers. Look at these hibiscus. Oh my God. Is that gorgeous or what? How about this one? Checking out these flowers. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yep, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Mahalo. Talk soon. There's some more hibiscus over here. God, gorgeous, huh? Look at that.